How to log into National Bank of Canada. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in National Bank of Canada login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, My Online Bank. Open it. You will be directed to the official website. Now here you're gonna find this section of Sign Up or Sign In. Click on the option of Sign In to log into your account. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. Firstly, type in the email ID, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. This way, you can easily log into National Bank of Canada account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option and you can do that. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.